What's up, everybody? It is Amrinder Singh. Today, I'm gonna teach you 5 phrases. Basically, these are colloquial phrases, and we use these phrases a lot in daily life. So it's really good. You won't find this kind of stuff in a book, all right? If you wanna learn, then stick with me. So first phrase is "मैं करी Jannah, all right? Maybe in some places, in like a Madhya area, people is going to say "मैं ਕਰਨ ਡਿਆਂ," all right? But in my area, we say "मैं ਕਰੀ ਜਾਨਾ." So what does it mean? Mostly, you would think like it means like I'm doing, right? I'm doing. Yes, that's all it is, but not all the time. So it means also like I'm thinking or I'm assuming something like that, right? Now the problem is like how would you know? It's pretty simple. That's what I'm gonna explain to you, right? Honestly, it's so weird phrase when I tell you like "मैं करी जाना," how the hell it could be I'm thinking, because I'm thinking in Punjabi is like "मैं सोची जाना," all right? Or "मैं सोच रहा," something like that. So, yeah, it's weird, but that's how people say a lot in everyday life, all right? So, for example, maybe you knock the door, your friend's house or whatever, or maybe uh, one of your friend, he or she saw you from far, and when you met him, when you close to him, probably your friend is gonna say, "मैं करी जाना पता नहीं कौन खड़ा," right? पता नहीं कौन खड़ा. So it means like I'm thinking like who is this guy is standing right there, right? So what does it mean? It means that person from far couldn't recognize you, and he just like thinking about something like who is this person, right? So in my family, people use it a lot. I heard like sometimes they are gonna say like somebody like when it's like our main gate of a yard, and like they basically can't recognize that person. They are gonna say "मैं करी जाना पता नहीं कौन आ मैंने तो हुण पता लग गया भी तो तू आ," right? So it means I'm thinking, who is this person? When I came here, it's you, right? That's what it means. So we could also say sometimes like "मैं सोची जाना." Yeah, we also say that. I could say "मैं सोची जाना पता नहीं कौन आ वार दे विच," all right? It means I'm thinking who is in front of my door, right? So kari jana is used, it's a lot. We use it a lot, right? So when somebody says that way, like "मैं करी जाना पता नहीं कौन आ," right? Something like that. Or probably another way we can say "ਕੱਲ ਮੈਂ ਕਰੀ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਸੀ ਵੀ ਜੇ ਮੈਂ ਪਾਰਟੀ ਤੇ ਗਿਆ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਤਾਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਨਜ਼ਾਰਾ ਆਉਂਦਾ." ਕੱਲ ਮੈਂ ਕਰੀ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਸੀ. So it means yesterday I was thinking like if I went to the party, that would be so fun. So in this situation, when we just like tell you a story, it means like I'm thinking, all right? So kari janna. So probably you would hear it's colloquial thing. You won't find in the books. In the books, it's always like "मैं सोच रहा," all right? So in a colloquial way, that's all we use. All right. That's why I want to teach you this kind of stuff, because you don't find in the books. That's the street talk. All right. So again, in my area, we say "मैं करी ਜਾਂਦਾ ਸੀ," right? Something like that. Some people say "मैं ਕਰਨ ਡਿਆ ਸੀ." All right. It could be a little different in another area as well, but mostly I think people say "ਕਰੀ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਸੀ" or ਕਰਨ ਡਿਆ ਸੀ. All right. That's what it means. Okay. The second phrase is, it's kind of idiom, like हथ खड़े कराते or प्यां होगी, something like that. So it means when we just give up of something. Let's say you bring your car to me and there's something wrong, and you told me like, "Can you fix it?" I said, "Probably I can fix it." And I'm trying to fix your car, but I couldn't do it. Probably I can say like मेरी ਤਾਂ प्यां, all right? मेरी ਤਾਂ प्यां, all right? So it means I just gave up. I can't fix it at all, right? Or I could say like ਮੇਰੇ ਤਾਂ ਹੱਥ ਖੜੇ ਆ, all right? ਮੇਰੇ ਤਾਂ ਹੱਥ ਖੜੇ ਆ, all right? So it also means I'm give up. Another situation I can say, like let's say somebody, one of my family member dropped their kids at my house, and they say we are gonna back maybe in 2 or 3 hours. And those 2 3 hours, they bothered me a lot. It was really hard to handle them. When their parents came, I would say like, "Inna te mere hath khade karate." Inna ne ta mere hath khade karate. It means I couldn't handle them, right? I just gave up, all right? Hath khade karate. Yeah, pyaan karati is same. Hath khade karate or pyaan karati is same thing, all right? Yeah, hath khade karate is basically like, it's also like when police came, like a police raided on you, and mostly they say hands up because they don't want you to, your hands like down, because you could be pull up your weapon, something like that. That's why they say like hands up, right? So what it means is, means in Punjabi, hath khade karna, it means just give up, all right? So that's how this phrase became. Okay, so third phrase is patta patata, all right? Or patta bagya. It's kind of same, little different. That's what I'm gonna tell you. So it means when, if you destroy something, all right? Let's say you borrowed my car, maybe you want to go somewhere, and then you got the accident, right? You were safe, but my car was so damaged. I'm gonna say to you, "Tum ta meri car da patta bathata," right? So it means like you completely destroyed it, right? It is really bad. Patta bathata. It means you basically, when you ruined something really bad, all right? Patta bathata. Um, Patta bagya is the difference is like when it's happened automatically. Patta bathata when you make it. So same example we can say, there's a car. It's my car. It's very old. I'm using, maybe somebody used it for 20 years and now it's with me in 10 years, something like that. It's always got the problem, something like that. And if I was trying to start my car, but it couldn't because I know it's so old, it's bothering me. I could say, "Eda ta patta beh gaya." All right, "Eda ta patta beh gaya." It means it's not working anymore, or it's really hard to keep this car up. So yeah, when patta beh gaya, it means this happened automatically or by itself. When we say patta bathata, it means somebody made to do it. And another thing, even I remember when I was in the school, our teacher also used to tell us, like, when somebody, a kid who didn't learn at all at the school, right? And basically you don't do any kind of homework, something like that. And our teacher is gonna say like, "Eda ta patta beh gaya." Eda ta patta beh gaya, all right? So it means this guy, like, he just like completely shut down himself. He's doing nothing. He's not learning, something like that, all right? Anyway, fourth phrase is koi chakkar nahi or koi gal nahi, all right? So it means no problem, all right? Like, let's say if you ask me like, "Tomorrow I want to go to the party, can you borrow me your car?" I can say like, "Koi chakkar nahi, le ji, koi chakkar nahi," all right? Or I can say, "Koi gal nahi, le ji." So it means like, no problem, you can take my car, right? It's very common. We use it a lot. Koi chakkar nahi or koi gal nahi, all right? Anyway, now it's the last one. The fifth one is odi bahut hawa, all right? Or another way, some people can say odi bahut guddi chadi hai. I think I explained this one, guddi chadi one. I don't know, I explained this one, odi bahut hawa. But anyway, so it means when somebody become popular, or maybe somebody is in the trend. When somebody is in the trend, we can say odi bahut hawa gi, all right? People also use it a lot during the elections. Like if there's a one guy in the election, he's favorite, we think it's gonna like a win. And in Punjabi, you can say odi bahut hawa, all right? Odi bahut hawa. Let's um, call the guy David, right? If you think David is gonna win the election, a lot of people behind him, you can say David the bahut hawa, all right? It means he is in the trend or he is popular in those like elections, all right? You can also say odi guddi chadi or something like that, all right? Kind of Probably it's a little different. Goody chari kind of like when somebody is popular, and odi huwa means like when he's more in trend. But people also basically mix it up. They can use whatever they want, I think. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this lesson and learned something new today. If you really like my podcast and you want to support it, then please support me through Patreon or PayPal. Link is in the description. All right. So anyway, I'll be back with another lesson another day.